phone buzzes face down on the table. Face down means it's not for me to see. I pour the coffee, you say thanks, babe. Babe, the word you give to every she. I know about the Tuesday girl. I know about the Friday one. I know my slot is Saturday, and Saturday's the one you think is fun. But Saturday is just a day, and babe is just a word. And the earring in the bathroom sink is the loudest thing I've ever heard. I want 'em many, want 'em many. I know my place, I know the game. I'm one of many, one of many. And every one of us has a different name. I know about the others, babe. I always knew the earring, the phone, the face down screen, the Tuesday, the Friday, and me between. I'm your Saturday girl, and I stay too long. Saturday's over, Sunday's gone. The funny thing is, I don't hate the earring girl. She probably found my hair clip bonded too. We're all just leaving evidence in your bathroom, little clues for the next woman passing through. Your apartment is a lost and found of women, a museum of the weekday girls who stayed. I hope the Tuesday one is happy. I hope the Friday one gets paid. I mean played, I mean paid, I mean both, I mean the same. We all got played, we all stayed late. We all got called the same first name. I took the earring from the sink, not because it's mine, because I wanted Tuesday to come looking. I wanted Friday